Jonathan, and today we're going to be learning about spiral of knot. Challenge: use the knot operator to turn left when blocked. Just like the previous exercise, the puzzle world in this challenge is slightly different each time you run it. Try figuring out how to use the logic knot operator, ! To solve the puzzle. New condition. The condition is blocked is either true or false. Giving you a Boolean value. If you can't move forward on one tile in the current direction, is blocked is true. If you can move forward, is blocked is false. And then for I and 1 to 13, it's not really 13, it's actually really 12. So you delete the 13. Put 16. And then we see if is not blocked. So we have to do the exclamation mark, then is blocked. The code is going to be move forward. And I'm going to say else. And then I'm going to do 2 curly braces. And now I'm going to say turn left. Every time you turn, it's always left. So you don't always have to turn left. Next up, it's going to say if is on close switch, we will have to toggle switch because there's only one close switch on this whole thing. So now I'm going to run faster and see if he gets the code right. Please subscribe to my channel if you like this video and also leave a like. Bye!